this video, we will show you how to empty trash on Android smartphone. First, you can find cleaner menu on your Android smartphone. For example, my smartphone have this as default. If you don't have cleaner, you can go to Play Store and type cleaner in here. Just select cleaner you want, and with recommendation to using cleaner that have good rated like CC Cleaner or this. But by default, in Android smartphone usually have cleaner apps. You can just click this cleaner and it will auto counting for trash on your smartphone. We can just clean up. After we clean up, usually the cleaner application will recommendation to using deep clean. You can just click scan if you want to delete another trash you want. Okay, you can free up the apps. For example, big file this you can just free up and you can select this all and delete. And that's all tutorial how to using or how to empty trash on Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful.